You don't need more confidence. You need a system. Confidence isn't something you feel. It's something you install, like software. A set of patterns executed in sequence until the body believes. What if I told you confidence isn't a personality trait? It's a spell, and you've been casting the wrong one your whole life. Let's begin with precision. Confidence is a prediction loop. A signal from your nervous system that your current behavior matches your chosen identity. It's not fearlessness. It's internal coherence. This is who I am, and my actions prove it. Lisa Feldman Barrett calls emotions constructed simulations. So, confidence is a forecast, trained into your system over time. Antonio Damasio found that decisions don't start in the brain. They begin in the body, in somatic markers. Emotional memories stamped into posture, tone, breath. You felt confident once. Your body stored it. The trick is learning how to replay the signal on command. You weren't born confident. You rehearsed something until it became you. Every identity is fiction. But some fictions are better written. In psychoanalysis, Lacan's mirror stage shows how identity begins with reflection. We see ourselves as something coherent and become it through recognition. Confidence follows the same logic. It's a mirror loop. Reflection, rehearsal, reinforcement. That confident version of you. It's already modeled in your imagination. You just haven't installed it yet. In the occult, the mask is not deception. It's the interface. To wear the god's face is to activate the pattern. To move like the confident version of yourself is to invoke it. Chaos magicians don't wait to believe. They perform and let belief catch up. Confidence works the same way. You posture, you speak, you act, until the nervous system rewires around the performance. And the neuroscience agrees. Barrett shows confidence is trained simulation. Damasio proves action creates bodily certainty. Ramachandran shows identity is plastic. A self can be installed, just like a phantom limb can be felt. Strategic overconfidence isn't a lie. It's a deliberate override. You act as if, not to fool others, but to reprogram the loop. You speak before you're ready. You move before certainty. Confidence isn't about accuracy. It's about authority over your own response. Even false moves, repeated with structure and emotional charge, install a new default. What you rehearse with precision, your nervous system learns to expect. You don't need affirmations. You need a ritualized system. Here's how to begin. 1. Choose a posture. How does your most competent self stand, speak, breathe? This becomes your physical sigil, your anchor. 2. Design a phrase, short, clear, tactical. Something like, I move before I hesitate. I act without apology. I speak with spine. This isn't a wish. It's a command. A neural directive you deploy in real time. 3. Deploy it under pressure. Only during friction. This is what makes it neurologically charged, tied to the very circuit you want to rewire. You're not faking. You're conditioning. Jung said the persona the mask, is how we face the world. But it's more than that. It's a vessel, a psychic mold. And once chosen, it begins to shape what fills it. Confidence is not found through introspection. It's built through ritualized action. Until the self catches up to the spell. No more waiting to feel ready. You write the code. You become the system. If you've begun the work, seal it. Not for motivation, for symbolic reinforcement. Right below, a single phrase, something the next version of you will respond to. A sentence you'll repeat when it counts. That's your sigil. That's the install. Confidence isn't born, it's coded. The repetition is the magic, and the rest rewires itself. If this video shifted something in your mind, you're ready for the next level. Download my free ritual guide in the description. No catch, just pure psychological alchemy you can use tonight. If you want to go deeper, hit the initiation playlist. It's your step-by-step journey into breaking unconscious patterns and mastering your own mind. Both links are waiting below. Your transformation starts now. Until next time.